Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. The audio today isn't going to be so great because I forget my mic. It happens, guys. But this video is all about this beautiful plant that I picked up today. I went back to the garden center again, and today I got more peppers, and there's a specific item I bought today that I just had to get it just in case my ones don't turn out well. So why not? Today, because I've been asking about purple sweet potatoes. They had them there at my local, and I thought last year my sweet potatoes didn't do very well, didn't do nothing at all actually. I planted it and it didn't turn up, and I said, you know what, while I'm here, let me spend £6 and grab this. Look at the rooting system right now. These guys are ready to go. I'm gonna pop this into the ground just right there. I'm gonna put it in the middle this year and let it take over a little bit of space. I'm gonna put it here because I'm not gonna have much. I'm gonna try to put my pumpkin or squashes and corn over here in that big old box right you see right there, and that's gonna take over all of this space while I'm gonna try to, maybe I'll add some other stuff to it. But the main objective right now is to get the sweet potato planted because it's, look at that, it's ready to go. So let's go ahead and get it in this garden and water him in, and the show must go on. In this garden bed that I'm going to put it in, this is where it has some beautiful pumpkins grew back up. So I'm just going to do some weeding, remove some of these weeds and some stranglers because they're a pain in the rectum, you know, because I want to, and I'm going to put it with some nasturtiums as well, because you know nasturtiums are edible and they're beautiful to keep your garden with the amazing insects that come in your garden and help your garden out to thrive. It's a beautiful thing to have, and it's all edible. That is this. It's gonna put on some beautiful flowers, and it's gonna do well. I'm just gonna be companion planting it with this, and I might even consider adding okra with this because it is a companion plant for sweet potato. A lot of people don't know that, but okra is amazing. I love okra. So I'm just gonna do a quick weed out, get all these plants that's walking up and doing my head in, and get this beautiful sweet potato in the ground and looking amazing. Because I have always wanted to plant a sweet potato of the purple color, and I just wanted it. I want to have a lot more colors, and a lot of things that do have a different color does have some benefits to it, so why not? And this one is called, I cannot pronounce that to save my life, Eroto Violet. If that's how you pronounce it, I'm sorry guys, I'm not very good at pronunciation or saying names, but look at that. Can you see the purple? Can you see the purple, guys? Come on, you can see the purple, you can see what I can see. And I'm gonna get it in the ground, and I might even add some more compost on top of this later. Just get it there. I'm gonna try to get it dead center. I want it to do its own thing. And this, I have wood chip on top to keep the moisture in here. But what I'm going to do later on, I might scrape back some of this wood chip and scrape it all off. Look at that, that's all dying over there, that's breaking down into feeding my soil, and it's beautiful. I'm going to add a layer of compost on top of this and then cover it back with the wood chip to create a barrier, because we're going to go to the hot times now, and I know my sweet potato will be loving it, but it does love to keep moist. So given this, it's my first time growing the purple one, it should be good. I'm literally gonna just keep an eye on it and make sure it's doing well. And that is it for me. This is another day at the allotment, and adding new things to my garden. And yeah, please do not forget to love yourself and take care of the planet. The audio will be terrible on this, but you can still see what I'm doing. I'll see you guys next time. Stay blessed.